Hi, this is David from ELT Buzz Teaching Resources, and today just a quick updated tutorial about our video lessons platform. We call this the Netflix of teaching. We have over 3,000 video lessons, all categorized and with teaching materials, some free and paid. You can get a subscription, and I just like to show you around the site. All videos are free and open to watch, to inspire teachers to make great video lessons. So let's take a look at the platform. On the front page, you have featured, fresh, trending. Weekly free is our weekly free category. Each week we put up a free video lesson. Check that category out and I'll show you in a moment. Beginner, intermediate, advanced, award winners, kids, music and songs, stories, funny, instruction, and this is some AI just personalizing based on videos you click. So let's dig in and just look at a video. For example, this one about footwear. So the video will play and you're free to watch it and use it in your classroom. I really recommend turning on dark mode if you're using it with your students, which is great. And please like and share the videos if you like them. There's a short description for every video. This is where you get the lesson materials on ELT Buzz Teaching Resources. And we have an example of what you get in PDF. Not always the full thing. If you subscribe, you'll see this download button. If you're not subscribed, you won't see that download button unless it's a free lesson material. You can favorite if you register on the site, so make sure you register. Just click this. I'm already registered, but here you would register or log in. Once you're registered, you can favorite and keep a list of your favorite videos to return to. After you favorite, you can go to your profile page and you'll find your list there of the videos, types of footwear. There we go. Here at the top navigation menu, you'll have our readers. So if you want to get, say, a beginner reader for students, you can take a look at that, and they're on our YouTube channel, so make sure go up here, click up here to go to our YouTube channel, but you can get them on the site, and this is for level 1. If you want to just find all our videos and sort them by level, just click and you can sort them by level. You can sort by genres. You can also sort by genres through the categories, and I'll show you that in a second. Say you want something with grammar and teaching grammar. So what's your biggest regret, lend versus borrow, past perfect, etc. I'll mention a few extra things. You can purchase your own private video lesson site through Top YouTube. Go there and check it out. Hundreds of video lessons, all fully described with descriptions on how to do it step by step, each video, and how to use it in class. So very kind of a more described version of ELT Buzz Video Lessons. And no registration, you'll just get sent a password and you have lifetime access. Teacher Pay Teachers, we have free and paid resources there. Please support us if you can and give us a follow. This is our lesson library with thousands and thousands of resources many are highlighted here on the video lesson platform. Go to the newsletter and please just put in your email address, no spam. We'll just send you a list of all our new video content or some video content that we're highlighting for that week that you might be interested in. So just put your address in there and you'll get sent that weekly newsletter we send out usually every Monday or Tuesday. Now let's go back to a video and I'll show you a few things about using a video. Okay, My Father the Giant. If you want to watch it on YouTube, just click YouTube and go there, of course. Some are Vimeo and you can use them there. Some are on our own server and you won't be able to do that. Down below, again, favorite, but we have categories. So you can go to the full categories by going down here, or tags. So this is under Father. So you wanted some more videos about Father's Day or fathers. There you go. We have 6 videos all about fathers. And that's a short and simple and sweet little entry into our video lesson platform. Make sure you register and get the newsletter. That's really helpful and important. Last thing I didn't mention was the free category. So let's just make sure I show you that. Sorry about that. So to get to the free category, find a free video.
Pamper yourself.
Under free lessons.
There are so many.
And there you go. These are all our free lessons that are offered. For example, let's just look at this one. Never Gonna Give You Up. It's a great one for using with beginners. All you have to do is just click here and click the download and you'll get the free resource. And there you go. You're ready to go. So I hope this has been helpful. This site took thousands and thousands of hours, not just from myself, but others. And making videos for the site, also curating. We have the top of the top videos that you'll find out there, and we really help you get your quick list of the best videos that really work. Everything from, like I see right here, great big story lessons, to narratives, to stories, to kids, to pronunciation, and everything. So please support us if you can, just even by using our newsletter or letting other people know. This has been David from ELT Buzz Video Lessons, and thank you for listening.